What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, the Subi fam. We got Ghost here, we got Mitch, we got Ali. We're working on Sylvie, and we got some JDM sequential fog lights to install. So we're pretty gassed about that. And at the moment, we are installing some Grimspeed dress-up kits. That we had gotten for Christmas that, you know, we've just been slacking on, so we decided to install that, and which is obviously, you know, super easy. But we're gonna start taking the bumper off and getting the fog light settled. So we just finished getting all the clips out. The side clips are out. The nice new Grimspeed pieces are in for the engine bay dress up, which nice little touch up. So now let's just back the bumper off and start working at the fog lights.
Hit the blinker, I want to see if they work.
Great.
Oh, beautiful.
Ah! Stop it! What the fuck? That bulb just smoked itself. You can turn it off now.
That was weird.
What happened?
The bulb just smoked. I think that's the one you dropped.
Oh,
It fucking smoked itself. Look at it.
Shit. All right, guys, so we just got everything, you know, wired up just to test fit, and the lights work. So sadly, my dumbass dropped the OEM blinker on the floor, so we're gonna have to replace that another day because it's too late to run to the store. But we're gonna get the bumper back on, get the new fogs in, and have this baby looking clean. I'm a huge fan, guys. Looks freaking awesome. I can't wait to show you guys when the bumper's back on and we put the lights on, but definitely a come up for sure. I highly recommend. I actually got these on Amazon. I'll drop the link in the description if you guys are looking to, you know, cop these, because they're pretty much like the JDM S4 versions. All right, guys, so we're just wrapping everything up. We got the new radiator shroud on. Nice Cobb radiator shroud. Shout out to Mitch for hooking it up. Hell yeah. All right, guys, so fast forward to the next day. I went ahead, you know, and I grabbed some new blinker lights. I picked up a set, so we got 2 of them. So we're gonna pull this baby in. We're just gonna replace those lights, get some slow-mos for you guys, you know, clean up the car, show you guys how it's looking at the moment, and yeah, I'm super excited, so let's get this. Sweet. Alright guys, so we got access to our fog light, so we're just gonna replace that quick. And the hood, when I noticed, before when we closed it, the little rubber piece honestly was like sticking out a little bit, so it must be this cob radiator shroud. So I'm gonna see if we can adjust that as well and just make sure everything's nice. So let's finish that up and then wash this baby and get some slow moves for you guys. Quick, let's just test the function. Clean. All right, guys. So we fixed our mistake. Let's get it. Always makes you feel better when you know something's right. But alright guys, everything's all set, everything's bolted up super nice now. We got the blinker working the right way. Before I head out, you know, start cleaning the car up and getting some slow-mos for you guys, I just want you to look at this finish. Like, so the finish on this is like a nice, like sparkly, crystally black, like glossy. And then like the OEM is just like a straight plasticky, like matte black looking. Like, you can honestly like easily tell the difference. It looks much better, especially with the LED bar. I'm super happy with it. Again, guys, let me know in the comments what you guys think of this. Super cheap mod. I love it. So, yeah, man. Let's clean the car up. Alright guys, and the white car is finally freaking coming together, man. It looks awesome with the H&R springs lowered, the wheels nice and clean. We added, you know, JDM fogs. It's looking like a nice, you know, OEM plus limited STI. So we're super excited with it. This was definitely a fun video, guys. Remember, if you're liking all the content and you're liking the channel, hit that like button, show us the love, hit that subscribe button. Subi fam out, baby.